Okay, so this is loud. So I haven't really done much vibe coding, but fucking add a pile. Anyways, but I doubt, and I have to be on Windows because they don't even have this for Linux. Otherwise, I'd be outside where it's nice. But let's see. I don't know if I can run it yet. I'm gonna ask it to run it because I feel like I don't even want to be in VS Code. But I'll show you in a second what this thing does. It probably doesn't even work anymore. We'll see. Are we good? Okay, let's see. Graph backslash prototype. Alright. I just want to open it. It opens it its own thing, I think. Doesn't it open it up here? Oh, there we go. See, that's what I wanted. What's is cool is that it can see its own thing. Oh wait, hold on. Why is this being so annoying? Dude, I swear Windows is so retarded. Why is this thing not going away? Like, what is it that's preventing it from... Oh, is it this thing? It's my own foot guns. Why didn't it work? Dude, I actually need codex credits. Codex is like so sick, man. I don't know why it took me so long to really get into vibe coding, but I am all like, I was like trying to, I don't know, I guess I was just like, going phases, right? And I was like, man, I want to do some programming. And I started writing the code, and I was like, what the fuck am I doing? Like, why would I do this? My guess is some OS thing. I could just run it myself. The first browser attempt got blocked by the in-app browser. Server still alive. Browser block is when an issue. Quick server purposes a server. Python server exited too. All I do is watch my codex credits go down. $79%. Should work now. Okay, so here's what it is. But actually, I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Wait, is my default? Hold on. Let me just change that really quickly. Uh. Alright, let's see. Why did it close? Oh wait, but it works here. Okay, this is what I wanted anyways. Alright, so, yeah, so let's put in butane. Okay, cool. So it loaded this thing. So this is some molecule, and it has this, and has some information about it. But what I want to know is, let's make an acetylide. Acetylide ion, that sounds pretty good. Okay, now we've deprotonated it with a strong base. Now what I want to do is have the carbanion undergo SN2 attack on some, you know, whatever, alkyl halide. So let's do like, bromobenzene. I don't think this worked, right? Like, why? Like, is there a reason why bromobenzene doesn't? Because well, we don't want bromobenzene because it's secondary. We're kind of looking for primaries for the SN2. But it's called phenyl bromide. It's called phenyl bromide. I want to look at the reagent. I don't know. We need. Anyways, let's do something else. Let's do like bromopentane. Okay, this is supposed to be fixed. I don't know what's up with that. But here we go. So then, bro, this used to work. It used to show me an image of the result. Graph key. Interesting. Can we hide this? Okay, that's better. It's a nice thing. Okay, and then let's just, bro, I hate that it didn't work. And then let's do we have Linlar? That's it though. That's what it looks like. Syn hydrogenation. So now we made this. And I think that's pretty cool. But I want to do something cool. I want to do MCPBA. It doesn't show the epoxide. So, okay, so. And like because what I'm okay, so what I want is to go all in on the graph, but I still definitely want I still want the result to be properly connected to pubchem. Because and I noticed what we do now. I see there's lots of bugs, but it might be better just I noticed epoxide with MCPBA was no good, etc. Because, like, I think not everything is going to have a pubchem, right? Build a proper graph mutation API and convert a real graph transform. But why is it doing just MCPBA? Why doesn't it do everything? Like, I want to just throw out, like... I mean, I think it knows what's good, what's up. Is there stereochem involved? I mean, we also want to track racemic, right? And then I also want to know about heat. You know, for elimination and If I press enter now, does it like overwrite it, or what's up? So what we're gonna do is ethene MCPBA. Dude, I love vibe coding, man. I've been so slow to vibe coding, but this is amazing. Am I actually live though? Can I use it? Can it use it? Oh, do I want to run this command? What is it? Let's see. I had a graph mutation. Can take an alkene graph. Okay, so let's take ethene. And then we add MCPBA. Okay, now we get an epoxide. And now what I want to do is like H2O or something like that. Or HBr. The problem is definitely let's say that we have an alkene and yeah, okay, so what about this? Can I do this? Propylene. Yeah, because I feel like the ones that it made, the textbook synthesis problems, were like crap. They were like so non-multi-step. Like my favorite ones are the ones that take 7 steps. Or something, you know, absurd. I don't want to... I don't know. Maybe I'm, like, not good at this, but I don't want it to, like... Like, I took that specific example, but not... I'm bored. any mic at all. Have to configure it. Scarlett Solo. Oh, but I can just plug this in. That's actually so nice. But it's gonna be loud. Oh, it's actually. I don't even know how. Like, that's probably so bad. I can't hear anything because I don't have the speakers on. Alright, did Codex finish? Okay, found a good source. Rank source files going in first. I'll write the epoxide opening rules. Okay, so then. Because also you definitely want to be able to Wait, actually, make a note somewhere that the things that I want is that get this on GitHub pages so that I can use it on my phone and make it like nice to use on mobile. And then what else do I need? There's more. What else do I need? I have more in my head, but I can't remember. Acid. Wait, acid opens epoxides to make vicinal dials? Are they syn-vicinal or what? Oh yeah, but bromohydrin is, yeah. I think, is it only bromine that opens the epoxide? It could be. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just like source material for synthesis puzzle set. Yeah, but it didn't actually give me like true reactions. Okay, alkene to epoxide to diol, alkene to bromohydrin to epoxide. Wait, bromohydrin to epoxide. How do you do this? You have the alkene, you add HBr, then you. How do you do this? Do you just redo the alkene? I don't know how that works. Do I have the speakers now? So, carbonyl S. Yeah, I want this. Aromatics. I haven't learned aromatics, but like, why can't it just give me a big list of things? Since when has this been on, dude? So much better. Ba-dun, ba-dun, ba-ba-dun, ba-dun, ba-ba. Dun-na, 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 dun-na. Slower. Four bars. Always 4 bars. Oh no. Oh no. What? What? Let's add this. Oh, I always do that because I'm so used to MIDI, but oh. I don't know. The latency is so bad. Okay, so I added roadmap, static hosting, yeah, phone, offline. I don't know about offline. Here we go. Okay, 4 octane, cis 4 octane. How do you go from... Oh, is that oxidative cleavage? Is that, or like... Yeah, is that ozonolysis there? Then to 4 bromooctane, you have a carbonyl. Dun, dun, dun. I'm guessing. Why does it keep doing that? I want to convert to MIDI. Can't it? I think it can do that. Slice to new MIDI track? I'm pretty sure you can do it. Oh, but I don't think I wanted that. Wait, can I? Oh, that's actually... That's actually pretty sick. Can I do a master transpose, or do I have to... Yeah, but that's kind of annoying because it's in a sampler, but it's better if it was just a simpler so I could globally change the... Because that's really annoying, actually. Like, the easier thing to do would just be to put it in simpler and slice it. I need drums. I can't focus without drums. Don't I have a saved drum rack? Is it called this one? That's fine. I'll just drop the... Okay, terminal... Okay. But wait, did it answer me that... Yeah, I just don't want it doing... Because I didn't even know that's how it worked. It's just doing regex on smiles strings. Like that's ridiculous, man. Still really out of time there. I don't know what it is. I want to beat that. Oh, it's this. The dropouts, dude. What is going on here? Alright, let's see. Done. I ripped out the old string fragment builder for Alkene editions and replaced it with graph transfer. Now graph base. HBR peroxide. Wait, HBR with peroxide does what? Dude, because I feel like Master Organic Chemistry is low-key the best. They have like this is what we just need to do. We just need to do all of this stuff. Dude, Master Organic Chemistry. Oh my god, bro. I also want to, like, I feel like it'd be really hard, but generating curved arrow mechanisms. What is the original site that I was like, bro? Oh my god, people are so fucking annoying. I gotta trim it out. You know, I don't even care. It's like whatever, but that's so fucking annoying. It's like, why does every piece of software just get worse? I mean, it's like, who the hell is that Firefox? Like, hey, let's add a bunch of random shit. It's dumb. It's like people don't even think about it, man. It's just so stupid. Okay, osmium checks. Is it gonna be cis though? Like if we. Like okay, wait. I want to try something. So is it running right now? So is this up to date? So if I put in. Okay, so like. If I put in. If I put in cis 2-butene. Nice. Okay, now I want to put in oh wait, no, I wanted trans. Bro. Bro. Actually pisses me off. Where's the CID? Here we go. Okay, now what I want to do is OSO4. And I want to see... That's not sin. I just don't want it having a bunch of custom code for... Like, it doesn't seem like I should have to write a bunch of input parsing. It just doesn't seem like something that I need to do. Oh wait, what was I gonna do? That's actually bothering me so much. Why is it crackling like that? Also, how can I hide this so that this doesn't show up? In Ubuntu, I can hide it, and it's like really nice. Okay, so what's the... This is actually getting so boring. But I think I had it at the end there. I think it's like this. It's a little bit late. Okay. A little early, a little bit late. actually always at the same spot. Why is that? That's actually really weird. Oh, that's so sick. That's freaking cool, man. That's freaking cool, man. Oh, that's so sick, dude. That's actually so sick. Where was that? Where was that? Where was that? Where I'm looking for you. Where was that? Was that here? I gotta fix that too. This is bothering me. It's gonna be right on the beat. Like, I'm not playing around. I'm not playing around with being off the beat, man. I want it right on the money. No way. I'm actually, bro, this is not even length right. What the hell is going on here? This needs to be looped here at a length of 12. That's insane that just happened. Okay, I was like, I thought, obviously it wasn't Ableton's fault. Obviously it was my fault. Is it doing something right now? So the fact that it's live is like so cool. But let me, okay. Bro, I'm like context switching too much. Alright, dun 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 So I don't know what's good in here. I'm just gonna pick a random one. Dun 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 dun. I don't know. I feel like that's kind of it. But is it supposed to be on one? Oh, definitely. Alright, so we gotta figure out what's going on here because 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is obviously insane. So I want to just how do I 8? Let's just make it 8. Bro, it's not like VS Code. Alright, so let's go here and just delete it. Because I don't know what's even muted, right? Like, these are muted. I don't even want them. Actually, wait, I kind of might want them. Let's see. And let's have it come in on 4. Ah. So. Is that this? I don't think that this should come in until 8. Oh, this is... Oh. Let's see. Probably like this. Oh, what is up with that? Let's keep it going. Oh, it's all these. I actually don't like this. Oh, because that one's off. Why do I keep doing this? Why did it tell me the answer? Bro, that's so stupid. Alright, let's see if I can do all of them. Alright, start. So start with propene. Oh, okay, alright, I got it. Another MCPBA. Why is it doing so much MCPBA? Oh. Start. I hate this molecule thing. It's so confusing. Okay, so we get this. Okay, then we want... No, what? What happened? Bro, this is not going well. This is not how it's supposed to be, man. Also, check out my 4x4 Rubik's Cube. This is how far I got. No help. I got the first 3 layers. F3L. It's not F2L, it's F3L. Okay, wait, I wanna... Can I... Wait, no. I wanna full screen it. Let's just do this. Okay. Alright, so refresh the page. Wait, is it pushed? Oh, here we go. Puzzle. Okay. I don't like the UI, but let's start it. Wait, it says you can do this in 1 step? Wait, what does OS04 do too? Wait, really? Oh. Yeah, we can just make a dial from an alkene. I don't like this UI. Okay, wait. Let's do 2 steps. Okay, 2 steps, 1 step, row. I like that name with the Z. Makes it cool. That's pretty good. That's it. What happened if I dropped the drum bus on the master, bro? love drum bus on the master. That's my signature, bro. The drum bus on the master. I want it like heavy. Nah, it's just not good. But also, this doesn't even work now. See if I can do this. Actually, no, I think it's that good. I want to see what it looks like on my phone. Oh, I just hit my limit. Oh, I'm using my credits. Oh, Lemon leaf. It's lemon leaf. When was that? That was that was a long time ago. I just wanted to do something while I was vibe coding. I wanted to do something while I was vibe coding. I'll upload it after. I mean, it's an improve. Like, I think, I don't know. I should probably be more in tune and aware of how to control this thing, because I'm definitely not like doing this the best. I think it's probably. Okay, butine, NaNH2. Is there anything else that we need? Okay, boom. Why don't we have the pubchem here? I want the pubchem for the acetylene, but let's say. No, see, I don't want that. Actually, I guess that's fine. I guess I'm okay with that. That's not so bad. I just didn't like that it took me to a search page. But you know what? That's like fine. Okay, so wait, so we got this. Now we're gonna add bromoethane. What? How come? Bro, what? Okay, so let me see. So I'm trying to learn something, I think. Why did bromoethane not work, but ethyl bromide did? In the reagent search. I think that we ideally don't really want reagents to necessarily be so hard-coded. Like, is there any way that we could provide the reagent as its own pubchem CID or link or something else that's more general so that we aren't just inevitably listing every single primary alkyl halide in our rule engine? I think that's a good question. And I think I said it not as stupidly as I've been saying everything else. Boom. Okay, so now we have this thing, which is a symmetric thing. Now we want to do Linlar. Boom. Now we want to do MCPBA. Boom. And now we want to do, and I want to see. Okay, let's open this thing up in PubChem. Was that the right one? Ah! What happened? There, I mean, I don't know. I just kind of want it to be. Okay, why is dude? That's stupid. Okay, and then wait, but hold on. I got it now. So now, HBR. So what happens here? I actually don't know all the epoxide stuff. What happens? Oh yeah. Under basic conditions, it's not protonated first. Yeah, if I just put in HX, does that work? Oh, wait. Oh, we lost it. Let's do it. Butane. NaNH2. Wait, let's try sodium amide. Okay. Sodium amide. Then I want to do bromoethane. No PubChem, dude. That's just not possible. I guarantee that's wrong. What do they think I'm stupid? Okay, boom. Use product. Okay. Okay, bromoethane. Bro, why? But if I go here, fuck. But actually, if I put in this. Okay, that's pretty cool. Hey, what's up?
Where are you?
I'm in the garage. Okay, I gotta go soon, but this is like a good start. Like, I actually think this is a good start. Wait, can we find what are the okay, so if I go to chem rules, GitHub, github.com, Anna Jane, chem rules. Because the thing is, I also want reaction. I mean, like, I don't really. Because it recommended me another one that I thought was cool. Bro, I hate that we're doing this. I don't like this. Also because bromoethane is the IUPAC name. But I actually what ooh, ask costs. Bro, wait, this might be freaking. We migrated to GitLab. Oh, whoa. Okay, wait, hold on. Modules, retrosynthesis, forward synthesis, product prediction. Dude, this looks like low-key what I want. Okay, wait, so smiles. Do we have to do smiles? Oh, they have a draw function. I mean, that's kind of cool. But what did we want? We wanted butane. C. Wait, we wanted C hash CCC. Bam. Oh, copy? That's cool. Oh, it just copies the smiles. See, that's cool. Okay, wait. So now I want to tree builder. Log in. Dark mode, log in. Sign up. But like oh my gosh, dude, this is like yo, wait, but what is it doing? That's what I want to know. Is like is there a reagent or like what's going on? Is it oh, you know what it's probably doing? It's probably saying, okay, what rules apply to this? Cuz like one of my favorite videos of all time that I should really follow up on. I gotta go find it later, but okay, how do we do it? I want to use it. So let's just do perform one step. Okay, so build tree. One step. Why is this? Oh, that's so sick. That's got the dollars on it, dude. This thing is pretty sweet. So what is it doing? What is the tree? Do we have the tree yet? Oh, here we go. Okay, reactants C hash CCC. Okay, NaNH2. I mean, that's true that, like, we're putting a special distinction on what we're starting with, but in reality, there's no distinction. Oh my god, dude. Where's the smiles? Where's the thing? Solvent? I don't know, DCM? Bro, see, that's what I'm saying, though. This thing, like, come on. It's kind of curious, right? Like, okay, wait. Ask cost looks so cool. But how do I give it? Oh wait, so do I give it? Can I do a comma? I gotta learn more about this. I think that this is really cool. I don't know what I'm doing though. Like, does it tell me? Does it tell me how I do it? Okay, which one that I understand? Like this one. I understand this one. What you do is you... Wait, actually, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so you basically you reduce it with like Lin-Lars and then you add bromine gas to it. But like Oh my god, dude! I actually fucking hate. Like, why is Firefox so? Why is Firefox so bad? Ungroup. Dude, I don't want the group. I never want the group. Okay, let me read this. First, you reduce the alkyne by partial hydroge with either Na and NH3L or Linlars, and then bromine gas does vicinal. I think bromine gas does the vicinal, right? Because let me read what I wrote. Oh wait, can I provide a list in the forward synthesis, product prediction, react? Oh, I can give a reactants. Wait, how do I give a list? There's this. Okay, I gotta go. Shoot, I gotta go.